Hello, and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. We're here on the 1 hour time frame. I covered in the last video also the larger time frame if you're interested, but I think we keep it short and sweet here. Now, what we have seen here over the last few weeks really is a correction, a pullback in what could be a fourth wave, with support between 3,374 and $4,060. So that's our support area here with the relevant levels. For a wave 4 correction, quick educational moment here. For a wave 4 correction, that's typically the 50% retracement to the 23.6 retracement and the 38.2 retracement, which is kind of in the middle there, at 3,665 is often called the ideal target for a fourth wave. Now, to be honest, the entire zone is where a wave 4 could finish, but a wave 4 tends to gravitate towards the 38.2 retracement. Now, as you can see, we've come very, very close already. Yesterday, the price dipped here into or Thursday that was, the price dipped towards 3,826, so less than $200 away from the 38.2 retracement, and we have a bounce. So could this be the low? Could we be in a fifth wave to the upside now? Have we bottomed? Well, it certainly isn't really a V-shaped recovery. But as you know, we talked about it, the RSI on the Ethereum chart was oversold on the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame. So a bounce was reasonably likely, I would say. However, we haven't really seen any break above resistance. So at the moment, while the market is still holding support, we have not broken above any resistance levels. And also, normally when I'm tracking for, again, quick educational moment here, when I'm tracking for upside reversers, then I am looking for two things. And again, that's a question that came from the community in our community chat. So I want to address that here. I'm looking for two things. I'm looking for resistance to be broken. That's not the case yet. So we don't have that fulfilled. Okay, so let's assume we're in a downtrend. How can we recognize a trend reversal? Well, we have a resistance area. That really depends on the time frame we're looking at, but also the wave degree and the wave count itself. So, there's no where there are rules and guidelines how resistances should be set, but it's always different. So depending on the structure, right? So at the moment, this is resistance for a wave 4. If it gets broken, it basically tells us, right, the move up, whatever it is, it's too high for a fourth wave. That will already indicate a low might be in. We would then normally look for higher prices. But as long as it's a corrective rally, like a 3-wave move, the probabilities are still high for it to fall back into support and for it to fail. So what we need then is a 5-wave move. So I actually need 5 waves above resistance. So those are the two things that I normally look for a trend reversal, and we haven't achieved any of them. So for now, I'm highlighting that, even if this wave count could be complete in blue, I still haven't seen that signal that would convince me that we've bottomed. And there are a few other things that play out here. For example, I can still make a case for another low as well. Like there is a wave count that easily gives me one more low. So all sorts of things here. But had we broken already above resistance and had the market already given me a 5-wave move up, well, I would rather be looking for higher. Now I'm considering we might maybe stretch out this 4th wave bounce over the weekend. And I need to see a move up bar $4,215 to suggest a low has formed. That hasn't happened yet. There is a micro support area here I'm tracking. This is really weak. This is just in case we really widen this wave 4. That lower support here, that micro support could be relevant over the weekend. It's between $3,856 and $3,947. That should give you all the relevant parameters for the weekend. So hope you liked the update and hope I added some value with the additional learnings and educational content. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And also feel free to join MCO. So you can access our MCO community chat as a gold member on Discord. In addition to that, you might want to check out our X channel for additional content, updates, and so on. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.